Howdy folks, Jason here, introducing the new DropTech 13-inch Dell 3300 Chromebook case from Gumdrop Cases. It's a two-piece co-molded case that's designed precisely to fit the 13-inch Dell 3300 Chromebook and easily installs in less than 20 seconds. The 3300's outer edges are protected by a rugged thermoplastic polyurethane, or TPU, a super tough impact-absorbing material that redirects damage away from your device. Our drop air cells protect corners and act like little airbags to protect your Chromebook from the worst drops. The clear polycarbonate shell shows scannable asset tags on both the top and bottom, and rubberized feet provide traction on most surfaces. The case is slim enough to fit into charging carts, but strong enough to protect the 3300 from drops of up to 4 feet. Like all of our DropTech products, it's been mil-spec certified by an independent testing lab, meaning the case survived 26 of those 4-foot drops without sustaining any damage to the device inside. If you'd like to give the DropTech Dell 3300 Chromebook case a try for your large deployments, please visit gumdropcases.com today and request your free demo unit.